In this question, they have given us that fx is greater than 0 for all x, and f is the inverse of the function h. Therefore, h inverse x is nothing but your f. That implies x is h of fx. So if I differentiate both sides, we are going to get h dash fx into f dash x is equals to 1. So that implies f dash x is 1 by h dash fx. Okay, now they have given us h dash x is 1 by 1 plus log x. Therefore, h dash fx will be 1 by 1 plus log fx. Is it clear? Therefore, our f dash x becomes 1 divided by 1 plus log of fx, which gives you 1 plus log of fx. Is it clear? Therefore, our option A is correct. This question is a moderate question because the students who have practiced previous year's paper, they can find this kind of sum in West Bengal JEE in previous years. Let us move for the next problem. In this case, they have given us the function fx as cos x square. Now we have to find out the period of this function. Let us assume if the period of this function exists, then f of x plus t must be equals to f of x. That is, cos of x plus t whole square minus cos of x square will be equals to 0. So now we are applying the formula for cos c minus cos d. We are getting, so from here we can say either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Okay. So from here we are getting, and from here we are getting, so from here we are not going to get any real values of t, for which x plus t whole square plus x square will become 0. And from this equation, we are not going to get any values of t which is independent of x. Therefore, fx equals to cos x square, it does not have any period. So it's a non-periodic function, hence option C is correct. This question can be treated as a moderate one. Let us move for the next problem. In this problem, they have given limit x tends to 0 plus e to the power x plus x to the power 1 by x. Now as x tends to 0 plus, e to the power x is tending towards 1 and x is tending towards 0, 0 plus. Therefore, e to the power x plus x is tending towards 1. Now 1 by x is tending towards infinity. As x is tending towards 0 plus, 1 by x is tending towards positive infinity, right? Therefore, this limit is in the form of 1 to the power infinity. Therefore, we can write this limit as e to the power limit x tends to 0 plus e to the power x plus x minus 1 into 1 by x. These are the conception from the power limits. So it can be written as e to the power limit x approaches to 0 plus e to the power x minus 1 by x plus 1. So we are having e to the power 1 plus 1, so that gives you e square. Therefore, option C is correct. This problem is easy one. Okay, let us move for the next problem. In this question, they have given that f dash x is greater than fx and f0 is 0, then which condition is true? Let me multiply e to the power minus x. In both sides we get e to the power minus x f dash x is greater than e to the power minus x fx. So, this is basically ddx of e to the power x fx is greater than 0. Have you understood this? Because if I take everything in the left hand side, we are going to get something like this, right? So this part is nothing but ddx of e to the power minus x fx. Is it clear? Now ddx of e to the power minus x fx is greater than 0 if I consider gx as e to the power minus x fx, then we will say that ddx of gx is greater than 0 implies gx is an increasing function, right? If gx is an increasing function, then if x is greater than 0, then gx will be greater than g0. So, e to the power minus x fx will be greater than g0 means e to the power 0 f0. f0 is nothing but 0 they have said, so e to the power minus x fx will be greater than 0. That implies fx is greater than 0. Is it clear? So fx is greater than 0 for all x greater than 0. Is it clear? Therefore our option A is correct. This problem can be treated as little difficult from West Bengal Joint Entrance perspective. Is it clear?